So I did Tidal Energy, and it's an inexhaustible power source brought to you by Urbandale Power and You, Inc. Otherwise known as UPay, by me. Tidal Power is not something we have really tapped into yet, just because of how expensive it is and all the problems. But we do find that it can be very efficient if we do eventually make it. Since it hasn't really been popularized, except for a few cases that we'll get to later, there's a bunch of concepts online, ranging from just like wind turbines, pretty much like smaller ones just underwater, to fans, these things which like take the power of the waves going up and down, and those things as well. The one that has actually been used is like this tidal power station here, where they have this man-made body of water that actually sits above the normal water level, and they have this like dam thing in the middle, and so it actually has these two doors, so that when this gets high enough, these doors will open up, letting it through the turbine, which will use the pressure imbalance and the waves flowing through to spin this turbine to generate power. That one has been used in other countries, but it's really expensive and you need like a large plot of land to like dig out and fill with water. So it's very expensive, so it's been used somewhat, but we do get a lot of power from that. So it's very efficient, but there are a couple cons in place. For one, anytime you're building in water, you're going to be destroying sea life and taking away coral reefs, and people aren't too popular with that idea. The other problem you run into is because it's underwater, you will run into barnacles. Barnacles will start growing on all the machinery and it'll get in the way and it will cause problems in efficiency and just general inconvenience for those working on it. And for that reason we haven't popularized it too much, but hopefully in the future it can be because it is more efficient than normal air turbines, just because water is denser than air.
They haven't invented like a barnacle repellent yet?
They do have like things you can spray on there, but it doesn't work very well. And especially when you have moving parts, that wears off pretty quickly,
right.
And then the barnacles just start growing anyway. And that's our presentation.
Okay.